Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka sarkar Meghalaya kla manjuri ki kandon balapan beja po ka Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act ban penshai ka bor ba kamram juki officer ki bapan tre kam ya ka an. Umentri rang ba ukonrat ke sang maulo ong ba kinong tre ki bawan na outside ka jila ki deban register ki officer katna labor ha ki district ki nejurip ki karkhana ber ki jakash na ying ban pej la ki nong tre migrant kla register ne em ki kandon balapan bej ki la batai shai ka kardan ber ka bor juki officer kumju e ka rukam penshitom ye ki ba Pynkheiñ an ka kuna kan kiu at kum ka jing Pynkheiñ na du ka jing Pynkheiñ sin ningkong hadu ka kuna ka ba kham he ber ka jing sha set patong la dadang beteng mane persha ka an ukon rat ulo ong bamen sha wat la dep menjuri ka an ke jing bam sha jing katu kat ni ki kendon kala penne ya ki officer ban pentrei kam ya ka hadin ke jing yo jing mut na ki officer ki betrei ha ki shnong la penbet ki ni ki jing du na bat on ai ru ka jing hi kai ka baton kam Alor ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA hajar khat riu umentri rang ba ulo ong ba ka jing ekran ba ka sarkar pedeng kadang yan ha ki kardan ba pher tentu ber umentri kampo yang kari ber secretary kar badang ab ya karai halor ka MRSSA ka sarkar kan pentri kam shai ki kendon ki bladon hapo ka an hajar khat riu ka jing register ha ki babun ki jaka class dang da ka jing trelang jung ki rang ba ashnong ber kishnong ka sarkar kadang wat ru eka core face recognition ka basuk ban penon kam ling ba ki mobile phone kane kan yarap ikirang ba ashnong ban penrung kerteng kham don kam laptop kamera ne nong tho kerteng Ukon rat loong baka jila ka don kumah 1,000 sans patli kishnong berki locality kumta kalong ka ba e ban penbiang komputer kamera ban manpower haman na ka jaka ka technology mobile kan pensuk bat Pynkheiñ ka jing pentrai kam ka sarkar kadang penkre ru ban pendep bat pentrai kam ki facilitation center na ka benta ki Nongwan kai ka belong ka weipat ka benta joka MRSSA
with the full form. This is the Meghalaya Identification and Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers rules. This is the act where the migrant workers coming in, laborers coming in from outside, they need to register. So this registration process we had amended the act, and then we had put a system in place where the labor officers and could on the district level could go and check the different factories or different construction sites where the laborers could be working and check whether they have registered or not, and if they have not registered, what kind of penal actions to be taken. So those had to be clearly defined in the rules. So we had come out with the rules, but there was still some clarity missing. For example, we had said officers will go. So question was, who are these officers? What level of the officers can go? So we defined that. So the officer has to be this level, and this is. And when they say that officer can act, what are the things they can act? How will he or she can act? What are the powers they will have? So we defined that in the rules. Then we said that the fees, the penalty will be up to 1 lakh. So the question is now, is it going to be immediately 1 lakh, or are you going to do it in an escalation manner in which there will be a first level where you suppose you offended once, then X amount, offended twice, X amount, offended thrice, then there will be imprisonment also, and there will be a higher fine. So these kind of more clear definitions were required, based on which the concerned officers would be able to actually start implementing this act, which has been already passed. But because of the non-clarity in terms of certain aspects of the rules, the officers were not able to move forward. There was a bit of confusion. So we went ahead and we have cleared those confusions based on the inputs we received from the officials at the grassroots level. And we're very sure that now with this and the training that we'll give to them, that the actual implementation of this particular act will be in place.
Can you also tell us an update on the MRSSA?
I have already given an update on the MRSSA before only. As I said, that there are multiple meetings that have taken place, whether it's at Home Minister level, or whether it is at the Home Secretary level, or whether it is at the level of Home Secretary and the Chief Secretary level. So there are multiple discussions taking place, and we are very hopeful that we'll be able to take forward the MRSSA 2020 and get it implemented. So we are still waiting. As I said, there are some more issues to be resolved. But in the meantime, what is important is that the current act that is there, we want to ensure that we implement the current provisions of the current act of 2016. So in that, as you're aware, that we have already worked out in multiple locations, in multiple, I've given a report, in fact, yesterday also. Multiple locations we have done the registrations, and the Rangwashnongs and locality headmen, they have been involved. And the expansion of the implementation of this, of the MRSSA is happening as we speak. And we are working out, better technology, much more friendly, user-friendly face recognition software and systems which can be accessed on any mobile, which we feel will be further strengthening the implementation and make it very easy for the headmen to and locality people to then implement. Otherwise, they'll require a laptop, a camera, a person to type, and a room, and all those things. So, by involving the technology that is available, we should be able to overcome those challenges, because we have about 6,500 villages and localities all over the state. So it is quite a big challenge if you have to give computers and laptops and human manpower and rooms to everybody. So that's the first thing. Second thing, of course, that the facilitation centers we have already discussed, and we are already moving forward to ensure that the facilitation centers are completed and are activated for the tourist. And that is the second part of the MRSSA, which is a part of the 2016. So these two aspects are things that we are working on, and I'm very sure that we'll be able to move ahead with this very soon.
So